Right guys, thank you for joining us here again at Black Stag Styling on another slightly wintry morning. So it's a little bit fresh but no rain, which is always good. So thank you for joining us. We have in with us a real beauty for the next few days. It is a brand spanking new Audi RSQ8. This one's a carbon edition, so it already has loads of bits of carbon all over it on the front and the back, wing mirror covers, front grills, rear section as well. So plenty of carbon already on it, but we have it in with us to supply and fit some of the Maxton Design carbon fibre parts. So we have a few bits and pieces. We have on the front, we have a lower front splitter section. We then have some lovely carbon fibre side skirts to go on. Then moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a lower rear diffuser in carbon, and we have some lovely side like canard splitter sections to go on the back bumper as well. We also have a rear spoiler as well to go on. So all these bits are in carbon, like I say, Maxton Design, because they do a carbon selection of parts as well now. So give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling. Hopefully we can look to fit some lovely carbon fibre parts to your vehicle. Stay tuned for this one, going to be a good one. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the old channel, and you stay up to date with everything we do. But now time to get this little baby into the workshop, get cracking with fitting some of the parts. Here we go.
Right, so we now have the Audi RSQ8 in. Lovely car, brand new one. Already got a lot of the carbon pack on. So a lot of nice little carbon bits, carbon wind mirrors, some lovely little touches. But we are going to be adding some more touches, some more carbon bits to be exact. So we have a carbon fibre. These are all the Maxton carbon range. So good quality parts, lovely finish on them as well. That is the front splitter. Then we have a rear diffuser part. This looks pretty cool.
Looks smart, that, doesn't it? That does look smart.
Lovely, doesn't it? Lovely finish.
This is their new range of carbon fibre parts.
Yeah. Obviously, two side skirts. Looking pretty cool.
Yeah, they look smart, they do.
And then we have a rear cap spoiler. This one here.
Let's have a look. They got their logo in the middle there. Yeah, it does look smart. The quality. Let's get a close up that car.
Yeah, quality. Go on, do it. Don't be shy.
Good, that, doesn't it?
Don't be shy.
Nice.
And then the last little bits are the rear side splitters. Just go on the bottoms of the rear bumpers.
Yeah, that's smart as well.
All these parts will be mechanically fitted on with nuts and bolts. They'll also be bonded on as well to give that extra hold.
Superb, superb. Nice first lot of carbon, or Maxton carbon bits we've done, isn't it? So
it's the first full kit we've done, yeah. So it should look pretty cool.
Do tell the viewers to give us a shout for the carbon bits, you know?
Give us a shout for the carbon bits, you know? Obviously, we'll carry on and show you as we go, get through it and get all the bits all fitted on.
Lovely times.
Lovely times.
Right, so just over with Steve. He's already started stripping the vehicle. There he is, look, good looking, fine looking chap, look, with his beard.
That's what they all say.
So yeah, Steve's already got the lights out, rear lights, started to unbolt everything off the back, because the rear bumper does have to come off to fit this section. So he's just getting everything stripped, ready to get the carbon bits on, or carbon diffuser and side splitters as well. Right, so Steve's now putting the bonding agent onto the rear diffuser section. Here he is, look. Oh. So he's already got his primer onto the rear bumper. We'll just do a little bit of film and just show that. Just see, that's the sort of matte looking area, which is all primed. So the bonding agent will stick to it. Lovely. Hello, Adam. Oh, there he is in the background there. There you go, Steve's just getting the getting that all on there, and then we'll be getting this onto the bumper. He's also got the rear tailgate section all prepped, ready to get the rear spoiler on as well. Right, there we go, gentlemen. They're now putting the rear diffuser onto the rear bumper. Line it all up nicely. Like I say, got plenty of our bonding agent in here as well. Although it is clipped in place, you just do not want anything coming off the car whilst the customer is driving down the road. So that'll be sealed nicely in place. Right, we're now about to get the sealer on. Steve's now about to put the sealer onto the rear spoiler. He's already got his primer on that as well. So the old bonding agent sticks nicely to the tailgate. There we go. Get our bonding agent on there. It has got the double-sided tape, but to be honest with you, can't really rely on just some double-sided tape to hold this onto the back of the car. So the bonding agent will just do a lovely job. Steve's already marked out where he's fitting it. That's what the yellow marks are. So he knows where to line it all up with, and it has been degreased, ready to have the spoiler put on. Which he's now about to do, look. Tommy's helping him as well. Make sure he puts it in the right place. There we go, line it up with the marks. Good quality carbon, all of this stuff.
Yeah, happy with that.
There we go, all lined up. And then we'll, the guys are just pulling out the tape off the double-sided tape, so that'll now stick to the tailgate nicely, and of course the bonding agent will hold it all in place. We'll tape it on in a minute, or Steve will tape it on just so it doesn't move anywhere. Rear diffuser is on the rear bumper section. Steve's taped it all in place, same reason really, just so the bonding agent all goes off. Ready for tomorrow morning so it doesn't move anywhere. Right, okay, we're going to go through and see how Steve is getting on with fitting all the carbon fibre bits on the Audi. We've been cracking on quite nicely. I think the rear bumper is now back on, and we're now doing the side skirts and then looking at getting the front splitter section on. So we're going to have a look, see how he's getting on. Don't forget to check out our website, blackstagstyling.co.uk, for more about all the bits we get up to and the things and services we supply. And don't forget, do subscribe to the channel, because plenty of people don't, and it's a massive help to us to build the channel and get all of what we do styling wise out to more people. Right, let's see how Steve's getting on. Right, here we are. Here's Steve. Right, just getting the second of the two side skirts on. Got his old bonding agent on, can we, mate?
Yeah, man.
So this one's now ready to go on. I think our man Tommy's going to help, I think. Am I right? Yes, I'm going to help. I'm going to help. I can't wait. Oh, thank you, Tommy.
Yeah.
To me, to you? Here we go. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. So Steve's already done his marks, lined it all up. Everything's degreased. Of course, the primer onto the side skirt as well with the bonding agent. we have the front splitter section all sitting here as well, which Steve has just sort of scotched up, ready to put the primer on. We'll have a little look at the other side, because the other side is all onto the vehicle. So we'll just go down here a bit. There we go, that's already on. We'll have a proper look all at the end, and then I think on the back, there might be a squeeze to get around there, to be honest. So we've got the rear section, bumper all back on, rear diffuser all on. We've got the little side spats on as well. They're all on. You see the yellow chalk, that's where Steve has marked everything up to make sure it all lines up properly. Like I say, plenty of carbon already on this RSQ8. We've got the front grille, surround, look at that. Already in carbon, mirror covers, already in carbon as well. So these extra bits will just go lovely. Hello, Tommy. Tommy's just doing some quite serious repairs to a Tesla over there.
You've got film to go, buddy.
He's cracking on nicely.
I'll get one free on repairs today.
There we go. Steve's just getting that all bolted on. And that'll be the second of the two side skirts all on. Right, here we go, is the last bit to go on to the Audi now, which is the front splitter. Same as the other parts, Steve's already prepped it all, got his primer coat on there, and then he's now putting the bonding agent, so that this will be all ready. He's measured it all up, lined it all up on the car, and just see the yellow marks on the bottom there. He's already drilled, or pre-drilled his holes, ready to put the nut and bolts through. And then it'll be time to get it on the car, bolted and bonded on. Last little bit this. That's a lovely bit of kit this, really rather flash car. Does look lovely in the grey. Going to look even better with the extra bits of carbon on. There we go. Guys are now getting this onto the vehicle. Of course, Tommy's helping him again. Tommy's helping Steve again. Look at the size of these wheels, look. 23-inch wheels.
You said look at the size of these and you point that in my direction.
Look at the size of these wheels. And brake calipers. Big old beasts on there. Like, whoo, yeah, boy. There's Tommy. Tommy's just helping.
Yeah, story of my life, just helping.
Right, getting their metal fixings in. They're actually just down here. Da, da, da. We are nut and bolting the sides, and then we've got some other fixings just to go in the centre and hold that in position as well.
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, alright. Do that one. Okay.
Right guys, this brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling, where it is a little bit fresh this morning, and we just wanted to do the last little bit of the video of the lovely Audi RSQ8 Performance that we've had in for some of the Maxton Design carbon fibre parts. Been a pleasure working with this. It's quite a beast, this car. It does look lovely in the grey. Already got loads of carbon fibre bits on it already, and the Maxton bits I think just finish it off off quite nicely. So we'll start with the front of the vehicle. So on the front we have added the carbon fibre front splitter section to the lower section on the bumper. This just ties in nicely with the other carbon fibre section or sections on the front, on the lower bumper and on the grille. Then moving down the side of the car, we have the lovely carbon fibre side skirts. As you'll have seen, these have been fitted, bonded onto the vehicle. Best to use the bonding agent as well, because that just makes sure everything stays firmly on the vehicle. And then moving to the rear, we have the boot spoiler. That's been bonded and stuck on. It comes with a double-sided tape, but we just add the bonding agent to finish it all off nicely. And then the last little sections, our rear bumper's been off the car, so that's the only way to remove the lower section properly. Then we've fitted and bonded on the carbon fibre diffuser and the little side sort of canard sections. Really does look cool, this, so hopefully you've enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget, we're a Maxton Design dealer, so we can do the gloss black parts, the carbon fibre parts. Give us a shout, we can have a look, see what we can offer you. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the old notifications. Stay up to date with everything we're doing. Check out some of the videos on the channel as well and the website, and we will catch you again soon. We'll get a last look around the vehicle and take care. Thanks for watching.